Hello, today we will guide you through how to add Expedia Flight to Apple Wallet. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Expedia Philippines website. We're using this site as the starting point, but the layout is very similar across Expedia regions. Apple Wallet is a convenient place to keep your boarding passes so they're ready on your iPhone or Apple Watch at security and boarding. Our goal is simply to get from Expedia's homepage to the area where your flight details live, because that's where the option to add your pass to Apple Wallet appears when it's available. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the Trips option. This is where Expedia keeps all of your bookings in one place. If you don't see your flights yet, don't worry. That usually means you need to sign in to your Expedia account. Use the same account you used to book your ticket, so your itinerary shows up automatically. Click Trips to open your personal Trips hub. Here you'll find your upcoming and past reservations. Locate your upcoming flight itinerary. You'll typically see the airline, have dates and flight numbers listed. Open that itinerary to view the full details. This page is the key area for adding a boarding pass to Apple Wallet. When your booking is issued and details are available, you'll see an option such as Add to Apple Wallet or Add to Wallet. It may appear near your e-ticket information, the boarding pass preview, or under a section labeled Passes or Itinerary. If you're checking in through the airline, the wallet option can also appear after check-in generates a mobile boarding pass. If you don't immediately see the wallet option, a few quick checks can help. Make sure you're viewing the correct upcoming flight and trips, and refresh the page in case new details were just added. Some airlines release mobile boarding passes closer to departure, so the wallet button may appear later, often after check-in opens. Also, ensure you're signed in, since guests won't see personal trip details. When the Add to Apple Wallet button is available, select it and follow the prompts to save the pass. Once saved, open the Wallet app on your iPhone to confirm the boarding pass is there. You'll be able to access it quickly at the airport, even without a data connection. That's it. You navigated to Expedia, opened Trips, and used your itinerary page to add your flight to Apple Wallet when the option appears. Safe travels and enjoy a smoother, faster airport experience.